Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the second half of the video to understand how to use classera. In previous video, I had to stop because of the time limitation of 15 minutes to make the video with the software that I'm using. So I decided to make another video. In the first video, we learn about how we can use classera for live interactive class. Now in this video, we will learn how we can use classera to add the material, to add an offline material when you are not in the live interaction with the students, and student will have the access to view that material anytime of their choice. They can access the material. You can add the assignments for them, you can add the questions for them, whatever material you want to share with them. Instead of sharing it through a WhatsApp group or any other material, you can add the material here where students will be able to view that in their own convenient time. So let's start here. I'm going to show you how you can. What you need to do is here is the list of the subjects that had already added to your profile list from the management. So in any class, if you want to add the material, you just need to bring the cursor of your mouse on that, and here you have the different options. You have the to manage the content. Here is the lecture management. In lecture management, I will talk about in another lesson, in another video. And here is the grade management and more things. So right now I will just explain in this video how you can manage the content for your classera classroom. So once you will click to manage the content, you can see on any subjects you will click, this option will be available for that. Here you have for all subjects this option is available. So let's click on the manage content. Once you will click on the manage content, here you will have the options available. The option is one option is add preparation. Add preparation here. So once you will click the add preparation, you have the options to add the title, and here this is written in Arabic al hasib. So here actually are some outcomes. I don't know, it is in Arabic, so I can't understand that. So if you don't have to come to the outcome, you have to link the preparation with the specific standards, area, or the taxonomy, or the objectives of the lesson you can write here. Here the academic task you can assign here, whatever you have to assign. The second category come the general category, or it is uncategorized. Here you have the option to add the videos. Like right now you can see I added two videos already here in this. Here you can add the course material, any course material that you want to add. Here is the discussion room, and here is the smart classroom. Smart classroom is just like I explained in the first video. When you will click to the smart classroom, the list of the smart classroom that you want to add for them, you can add accordingly. It is just like the virtual classroom that you are going to take. So in this lesson we don't have to talk about this one in this video. So once you will add how to add the video, you simply need to click on how to add the video. Click on add video. This window will appear here. Here you have to write the title of the video, what title video you want to write. For example, previously I write the skill practice, and here you have to add the description. You can add that this video is for this grade, for this class. You can add the description about the class, and you can add the description about any particular reference that you want to give. Here you can select the option whether the student can download it or not. So if you don't want to student allow to download, you just want them to see it in the online mode, so you can uncheck that. If you want to allow them, you can click here. And when you will come down here, you have the option, you can even link any video from YouTube or other video sharing. You can share here. Here is the option to upload the video. For example, you want to share a video from the YouTube, click on the YouTube button here. So here you have to copy and paste the link here. So like right now, let's see, I will add here the skill practice, or it's just here the description, whatever description I will add. After adding the description, I click the YouTube. So here will be the link. I'm going to copy the link. Once you will copy the link, here you can manage it when your student, it should be visible to your student. If you want to make it visible after a specific date, So you can select the date and time, everything from here. Like I'm going to select it as from let's suppose from the 19th of March at 7:45. It should be available to the students. So it will be this timing has been added. You can amend that timing as well. And here you can add, of course, the preparation. You are adding this for the preparation for of your class. So this is content share on your timeline. You can click on the share on your timeline. And here this is the option of the public library. If you will share in the public library, all the participants of this classera, all their participants can see it, different schools can see it. And if you want to keep it limited to your school, so you can click to your school. And here you can add any custom library. Here you can add the tag. For example, I added this for class 2. So I will add class, and here when I will press the space, the second tag will open 2. And then here the bottom I have the option as I want to share it for both 2A 2B, so I will select all. If you want to share for only one class, so then you need not to click both. So here I will upload. Once you will upload, no, it has been added. Now you can see here, before there were 2 videos here. Now we have 3 videos here that are viewable for the students. Okay, so once you want to this will appear in the students window. And if you want to add any question related to the video, you can add any question by clicking here on the 3 dots on the side. You can add any question on the sides that you want to give them as a work. So you can create a question here by writing the question, and here any comment about that, whatever you want to add, you can add from here. So, and then once you will come back to here, I have the mathematics for class 2. This was, here is the list. And if you want to edit this one, so you just need to click on that one. You want to make any amendment on whatever you have added. So you need to, for example, come to, when you will open it, here you have the option to edit whatever you want to edit about that, what you added. You can edit the name, description, whatever thing you want to edit, you have the option to edit here. Sharing level, everything you can edit. And then you can click to approve changes. So this change will be approved over here. The second category of the material sharing, of course, is in the form of the documents, the course material that you can add here. The course material, like you can click the add button here. In the same way, here you have to write the title, whatever you want to write. Here you have to add the description, whatever description you want to add the description, and then choose the file. Simply you have to click choose the file, any file of the documents, PowerPoint, PDF, zip, PPS, PPSX, or XLS, Excel file you can add. You are allowed to. If you have to choose any cover image for the file, you can choose the cover image from here. Thumbnail, in other words, you can say. And in the same way, you can write here the publish date, when it should be visible to your viewer. You can write the publish date in the same way as we added in the video category. And here preparation and share on the timeline to the public library, or you want to share with your school only. And the next is the tags you can add for the classes, to whichever you want to publish to the sections, to whole section, or to public to the students. You have both options, so it's up to you. So better always share with the whole section. Of course you have to share, so you can share with the whole section here by clicking on this category. So that will be the way to add your offline material. This category already we discussed. In next video, inshallah, I will let you understand how we can do the assignment. Or even here, if you click on the assignments, it is quite simple. You can look at whatever assignment you want to create. Here will be the publishing date. Here is the due date for the assignment. You can give a deadline to the students, and till this time it should be. Here will be the cutoff date, that this at this time and date this assignment will be removed. And then grade category you can add from here. Here is none, preparation, none, comments. Okay, and so here you can add the options: correct answer, show correct answer after submission, show the correct answer after. So this mode can be explained actually later on. It has many attributes that need to be explained later on. So this is how, if you don't want to take a live interactive class, and this actually will work in the current situation where especially we have the students of the junior classes who are not able to take the live interaction classes. So we can share the material with them in the same way as we were sharing before within the WhatsApp group. So that can be used as an official platform, because student will also have their username through which they can log in. So hopefully you understand the second half of this video. So if you have any further question, any problem to understand how to use it, you can contact me. Thank you.